Unlocking income opportunities with ChatGPT. The digital age has revolutionized how we live, work, and earn. With artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, making money online has never been more accessible or innovative. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, launch a full-scale business, or just explore new avenues of income, ChatGPT offers endless possibilities. Imagine creating professional-grade content in minutes, automating customer support for businesses, or even developing unique digital products, all with the assistance of ChatGPT. In this video, I'll take you through actionable strategies and creative ideas on how to leverage ChatGPT to generate income. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, you'll find something here to spark your imagination. One of the simplest ways to make money with ChatGPT is by offering content writing services. Businesses, websites, and marketers are always in need of high-quality articles, blog posts, and marketing materials. ChatGPT can help you create compelling and well-researched content quickly and efficiently. Start by offering freelance writing services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can specialize in niches like technology, health, travel, or finance. ChatGPT can assist with generating outlines, writing drafts, or even polishing your final pieces. For advanced users, consider scaling up by starting your own content agency. Train ChatGPT to adopt a specific tone or style that resonates with your clients, and build a portfolio that showcases your AI-powered content. Ebooks are a fantastic way to earn passive income, and ChatGPT makes the creation process seamless. From brainstorming ideas to writing full chapters, this AI tool can handle it all. Identify a niche with high demand, for example, self-help, productivity, or niche technical topics. Use ChatGPT to outline the book's structure, write engaging content, and even edit it for clarity and coherence. Once completed, you can publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or Gumroad. To boost sales, use ChatGPT to craft marketing materials such as promotional emails, social media posts, and landing page copy. With minimal upfront investment, you can turn ebooks into a steady revenue stream. Social media is a goldmine for businesses, and ChatGPT can make you an expert social media manager. Offer services like content creation, strategy planning, and audience engagement. ChatGPT can generate engaging captions, hashtags, and posts tailored to different platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. It can also assist in planning a content calendar, writing ad copy, or even analyzing trends to keep your clients ahead of the curve. To stand out, offer packages that include analytics reports or automation tools like scheduling posts using platforms like Hootsuite. By combining ChatGPT's capabilities with your management skills, you can provide businesses with high-value services. Businesses worldwide are adopting chatbots to enhance customer service and engagement. With ChatGPT, you can design chatbots that respond to customer queries, guide users through purchasing processes, or even provide tech support. Use platforms like ManyChat, Tidio, or Landbot to integrate ChatGPT-powered chatbots into websites and social media channels. Focus on niches such as e-commerce, healthcare, or education, where personalized interactions are critical. Once you've mastered the basics, you can monetize by offering chatbot development as a service. Charge a one-time setup fee or a monthly retainer for maintenance and updates. If you're an expert in a specific area, creating an online course is a lucrative option. ChatGPT can simplify this process by helping you design course content, write scripts for video lessons, and even create quizzes or assignments. For instance, if you want to teach digital marketing, ChatGPT can help you outline the modules, write detailed explanations, and generate supporting materials like templates or checklists. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Thinkific make it easy to host and sell your courses. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to create engaging promotional content for your course, including sales pages, email campaigns, and social media ads. Once your course is live, it can generate recurring income with minimal ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. ChatGPT can help you scale this business by creating high-quality promotional content. Use ChatGPT to write product reviews, comparison articles, or email sequences that drive conversions. You can also use it to generate ideas for blog posts or social media content that subtly incorporates affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate provide endless opportunities to partner with brands. By combining ChatGPT's content creation abilities with your marketing strategies, you can maximize your affiliate earnings. Dropshipping is a low-risk business model where you sell products without holding inventory. ChatGPT can enhance your dropshipping operations by assisting with market research, product descriptions, and ad copy. For example, use ChatGPT to write persuasive product descriptions that highlight features and benefits. It can also generate ad copy for Facebook or Google Ads campaigns. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm marketing strategies and create email campaigns to retain customers. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make setting up a dropshipping store simple. By leveraging AI for content and marketing, you can focus on scaling your business. Video content dominates the internet, and ChatGPT can help you break into this space by offering scriptwriting services. Whether for YouTube creators, businesses, or educators, ChatGPT can generate engaging video scripts tailored to their audience. You can specialize in niches like explainer videos, product reviews, or educational content. Combine this with video editing services using tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and you have a complete package to offer. For your own content, ChatGPT can help you script videos, plan storyboards, and optimize titles and descriptions for search engine visibility. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Job seekers are always looking for standout resumes and cover letters, and ChatGPT is perfect for crafting these documents. Offer personalized resume writing services where you tailor each document to the client's industry and role. ChatGPT can assist in highlighting skills, achievements, and experiences in a compelling manner. It can also help write LinkedIn profiles that attract recruiters and hiring managers. Promote your services on platforms like LinkedIn or career-focused forums. Charge per resume or offer packages that include additional services like interview coaching or portfolio building. As AI tools become more popular, businesses are seeking ways to integrate them into their workflows. Position yourself as an AI consultant who helps clients understand and implement AI solutions like ChatGPT. Offer services such as training sessions, workflow automation, or customized AI integrations. For example, help a company use ChatGPT for customer support, content creation, or lead generation. Build your expertise by staying updated with the latest AI trends and advancements. By showcasing your knowledge and providing real value, you can command premium rates for your consulting services. The potential of ChatGPT to help you make money online is truly limitless. Whether you're creating content, launching a business, or offering innovative services, this AI tool empowers you to work smarter and achieve more. The key is to start small, experiment, and scale your efforts as you gain confidence. With creativity, determination, and the power of AI, you can build a successful online income stream that aligns with your passions and goals. So, which idea will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered insights. Here's to your success in making money online with ChatGPT.